Hi, this week on Legal Video Blog, we wanted to talk about a couple of cases that have been getting a lot of publicity. One of which you may have heard about. Two young women wanted to go to the high school prom together. Well, they were denied that opportunity initially. A lot of hubbub about that. Claim is being brought. Another case involves a young man in Michigan, a teenager who was awarded $800,000 for sexual discrimination, that he had been sexually discriminated against by his high school. That case, that award, was made under Title IX. Now, some people kind of scratched their head about this and said, what is going on here? How can you bring a sexual discrimination case under Title IX? Isn't that a federal law that's designed basically to deal with sports? Doesn't that allow women to play sports equally with guys in various educational activities? Well, while Title IX is often used to provide for equal opportunities in sports, it is a little broader than that. And let's look at the specific language that governs, where it says, no person in the United States shall, on the basis of sex, be excluded from participation in or denied the benefits of or be subjected to discrimination under any education program or activity receiving federal financing. Okay, let's look at that case up there in Michigan. Now, here was a young man. He was admittedly gay. He was subjected to lots of harassment by his fellow students. All kinds of things were going on. I mean, people were beginning to deface his books. They were making all kinds of comments about him. They were physically harassing him, got it to the point where he'd been pushed into lockers, would be locked into a locker, all kinds of things going on. Well, you can say, what does this have to do with an educational program? Well, it got so bad that his parents said he can't even get an education at the public school because this is going on. And the school knows about it. So they sued the school district. Sued the school district saying, you guys know about this and you haven't done anything to stop this bullying that's going on. School district responded by saying, wait, every time there's been a complaint, we did something. At trial, however, what was presented was evidence from the teachers which showed that there was far more bullying going on than the school district admitted existed, that the teachers knew about it, were reporting it to the authorities, and no action was being taken. The basic thrust of the case was that here was a guy that was being subjected to harassment by his fellow students, not by the school district, by his fellow students, but the school district knew about it, did not do anything, and therefore he was denied an educational opportunity and brought suit under Title IX for discrimination. And that's why that case went forward. Okay. We bring you this comment today just to try and clear up where the law comes from and what happens. And as I say every week, we do this so you can better understand the law, so you can make it work for you. I'm David Allen.